Hi guys, today's vegetarian recipe is quick, easy and cheap to make, it's packed with nutrients and it's perfect for the whole family. We're making carrot and butternut squash soup. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today. So we're going to make the simplest and easiest carrot and butternut squash soup today. There's only 6 ingredients in this recipe and they're pretty cheap and easy to get from most supermarkets. This will serve about 6 to 8 people, so anything you've got left over can easily be frozen. It's packed with nutrients and it's great for the whole family, but it's also a great way to up your 5 a day. Now there's your shopping list, that's everything you're going to need. You can jot those down as you go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for weekly vegetarian recipes. Let's get cooking. For this carrot and butternut squash soup recipe, you'll need 2 onions chopped, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, 1 butternut squash diced, 4 carrots diced, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, just the leaves, salt and pepper, 1.5 litres of vegetable stock and some parsley for garnishing. Heat the oil in a large saucepan. Then add the onions and fry until they're soft. Add the carrots and the butternut squash and give them a stir and cook for 5 minutes. Add the thyme and season well with some salt and pepper. Pour over the stock and bring it to the boil. Then turn down the heat and allow to simmer gently for 30 minutes or until the vegetables are soft and cooked through. Remove from the heat and allow to cool slightly, and then using either a hand blender or a liquidizer, blend to a nice smooth soup. And if it's a little too thick, then you can always add a little bit more stock at the end. Serve into bowls and garnish with some parsley. I hope you enjoy this carrot and butternut squash soup recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly vegetarian recipes.